Mr. Brodsky's engineering class recently sent Pumpkin sky high with catapults. We have details of this smashing project.
We recently went outside with Mr. Brodsky's engineering class for Pumpkin Chunkin. He filled us in on info about Trebuchets, along with the launching of the pumpkins. Now, Mr. Brodsky, what are some safety precautions your class takes before launching?
Well, safety is paramount here, and there are a few different things. We're all wearing safeties and hard hats when we're at the actual trebuchet, next to it, firing it. Hasn't been an issue yet, but these are for accidents. We make sure we have all hands on deck when we're actually loading the weights, and then when we're putting the trebuchet into firing position. I inspect it before it goes into firing position, after it goes into firing position, then once I think it's okay, we can fire it. I've already done all the calculations and then led them through the calculations as well to make sure that all of the lumber we're using is going to be strong enough to support the weight that we're putting on it.
And now for the launch.